Hey there, I'm Luis Moreno with Simply Health Insurance Agency. One question that I get from a lot of my insureds is, I'm not a US citizen. Can I enroll in an ACA plan? All right, that's a really good question. I'm going to answer that, but first I need you to like this video, give me the thumbs up, okay? Or give me a comment. I'll reply to any comment. Ask me any questions, or even if you want to give me some suggestions, I'd like to learn about this, I'd be glad to. And then finally, make sure you subscribe to my channel. This channel is growing. Share me with everybody out there, please. All right, so ACA. If you're not a US citizen, how or what other immigration statuses will qualify to get you into an ACA plan and possibly receive subsidies, which is the assistance to help pay the premiums on an ACA plan? I'm going to share that with you now. Okay. All right. So if you're a US citizen, you're good to go. All right. You can get an ACA plan. But if you are not a US citizen, these are the different immigration statuses that will qualify to get an ACA plan. Okay. Number one, a lawful permanent resident. This is somebody who has a green card. Okay. Number two, if you're an asylee, if you're a refugee, if you're a Cuban or Haitian entrant, if you've been paroled into the US, if you have a conditional entrant granted before 1980, if you're a battered spouse, child, or parent, if you're a victim of trafficking and his or her spouse, child, sibling, or parent, if you were granted withholding of deportation or withholding of removal under the immigration laws or under the Convention Against Torture, if you're an individual who has a non-immigrant status like a work visa, you have an H-1, an H-2A, an H-2B, a student visa, a U visa, a T visa, or other visas, and citizens of Micronesia, the Marshall Islands, and Palau, you qualify for ACA. If you have temporary protected status, deferred enforcement departure, deferred action status, except for DACA, deferred action children for childhood arrivals. If you are DACA, you won't qualify for ACA, unfortunately. Lawful temporary resident, you're an administrative order. You have an administrative order staying removal issued by the Department of Homeland Security. And finally, if you're a member of a federally recognized Indian tribe or an American Indian born in Canada, if you're one of these immigration types, you qualify for an ACA plan, and possibly you qualify for subsidies, which help lower your premium. And depending on your income, you may also qualify for cost sharing reductions. These are reductions in deductibles, reductions in coinsurance, and reductions in your maximum out of pocket. They're awesome. I've had people as low as $900 in a health plan, but it's all based on your income and the size of your household. Now, this next screen that I'm going to share with you, these are the documents that you must have that will support that immigration status that you have. So, of course, the green card is the I-551. A re-entry permit is the I-327. A refugee travel document, an I-571. Then there is the employment authorization document, an I-766. Machine readable immigrant visa, I-551. Temporary I-551 stamp, an I-94, a foreign passport, and the list goes on. So if you have one of these immigration documents, you can qualify for ACA and possibly assistance and cost sharing reductions. So if it seems a little complicated for you, it is. That's what we're here for. This is what I would like for you to do. Okay. Number one, I'd like for you guys to hit me up. I'm down there. I'm posting my link for you to book a one-on-one appointment with me or one of my well-trained agents that have been with me for years. We're bilingual, we speak Spanish, and we can help you enroll in Medicare. Now, you may be thinking, I'm sorry, enroll in ACA, but you may be thinking, well, it's the season's closed. Open enrollment shut down January 15th. Guys, there's a lot of loopholes. Okay, we know them all. Okay, so don't hesitate. We can help you. Just book that one-on-one call, and we would be glad to help you out. Again, this is Luis Moreno with Simply Health Insurance Agency. And please don't forget, comment, okay? Give me that thumbs up, like my video, and subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.